I go to school every day.
Saya pergi ke sekolah setiap hari.
She drinks tea in the morning.
Dia minum teh di pagi hari.
The cat sleeps on the couch.
Kucing itu tidur di sofa.
I do not like spicy food.
Saya tidak suka makanan pedas.
He does not play the guitar.
Dia tidak bermain gitar.
They do not live in Jakarta.
Mereka tidak tinggal di Jakarta.
Do you work here?
Apakah Anda bekerja di sini?
Does she speak French?
Apakah dia berbicara bahasa Prancis?
Do they enjoy hiking?
Apakah mereka senang mendaki gunung?
I brush my teeth twice a day.
Aku menyikat gigi 2 kali sehari.
She exercises every morning.
Dia berolahraga setiap pagi.
We visit our grandparents every weekend.
Kami mengunjungi kakek nenek kami setiap akhir pekan.
The train departs at 7:30 a.m.
Kereta berangkat jam 7:30 pagi.
The class starts after lunch.
Kelas dimulai setelah makan siang.
I know the answer.
Aku tahu jawabannya.
He feels tired.
Dia merasa lelah.
She believes in herself.
Dia percaya pada dirinya sendiri.
They love Indonesian food.
Mereka menyukai makanan Indonesia.
Close the door, please.
Tolong tutup pintunya.
Turn off the lights when you leave.
Matikan lampu saat Anda pergi.
My brother plays badminton every Sunday.
Saudara laki-laki saya bermain bulu tangkis setiap hari Minggu.
We eat lunch together at the office.
Kami makan siang bersama di kantor.
I play basketball twice a week.
Saya bermain basket 2 kali seminggu.
She drinks coffee every morning.
Dia minum kopi setiap pagi.
They always go to work every day.
Mereka selalu pergi bekerja setiap hari.
She likes swimming in the evening.
Dia suka berenang di malam hari.
The meeting begins at 9 tomorrow.
Pertemuan dimulai pukul 9 besok.
Our bus leaves at 3.
Bus kita berangkat pukul 3.
The show starts at 5.
Pertunjukan dimulai pukul 5.
Our exam starts at 10 today.
Ujian kita dimulai pukul 10 hari ini.
He'll text you when he is at home.
Dia akan mengirimimu pesan saat dia di rumah.
They will go as soon as you give them order.
Mereka akan pergi segera setelah kamu memberi perintah.
I'll call you after I take a bath.
Aku akan meneleponmu setelah mandi.
If it rains, I'll stay home.
Jika hujan, aku akan tinggal di rumah.
They are writing leave letters to teacher.
Mereka sedang menulis surat izin cuti kepada guru.
She isn't listening to Hindi songs online.
Dia tidak mendengarkan lagu-lagu Hindi secara online.
She isn't talking to her friend on the phone.
Dia tidak berbicara dengan temannya melalui telepon.
She isn't studying in class 10 at a school.
Dia tidak belajar di kelas 10 di sebuah sekolah.
She isn't watching a movie on TV right now.
Dia tidak sedang menonton film di TV sekarang.
She looking for a job in Chennai currently.
Dia sedang mencari pekerjaan di Chennai saat ini.
It isn't eating breakfast now.
Dia tidak sedang sarapan sekarang.
It's drinking milk right now.
Dia sedang minum susu sekarang.
It isn't crying, laughing a lot now.
Dia tidak banyak menangis atau tertawa sekarang.
It isn't playing with the ball now.
Dia tidak sedang bermain bola sekarang.
It isn't sleeping on the floor now.
Sekarang ia tidak tidur di lantai lagi.
He studies hard for the exam.
Dia belajar giat untuk ujian.
She is a teacher.
Dia adalah seorang guru.
She likes dancing.
Dia suka menari.
She always helps her mother.
Dia selalu membantu ibunya.
We are classmates.
Kami adalah teman sekelas.
We go to the park every Sunday.
Kami pergi ke taman setiap hari Minggu.
We love learning English.
Kami suka belajar bahasa Inggris.
They are my parents.
Mereka adalah orang tuaku.
They play basketball in the afternoon.
Mereka bermain bola basket di sore hari.
They have 2 cats.
Mereka punya 2 kucing.
It is a beautiful day.
Ini adalah hari yang indah.
It is raining outside.
Hujan sedang turun di luar.
It is my favorite book.
Ini adalah buku favoritku.
This book is very interesting.
Buku ini sangat menarik.
Where are you going?
Kamu mau kemana sih?
I am going to go to the market.
Aku mau ke pasar.
What is your job?
Apa pekerjaanmu?
I am a teacher.
Aku seorang guru.
Where do you live?
Kamu tinggal di mana?
I live on Madura Street, number 3.
Aku tinggal di Jalan Madura nomor ketiga.
Where do you come from?
Kamu berasal dari mana?
I am from Semarang.
Aku dari Semarang.
What is your marital status?
Apa status pernikahanmu?
I am married.
Aku udah nikah.
Where is your hometown?
Di mana kampung halamanmu?
Gresik is my hometown.
Gresik kampung halamanku.
What is your date of birth?
Kapan tanggal kelahiranmu?
My date of birth is the 7th of November.
Tanggal lahir saya adalah 7 November.
Where is your favorite place for holiday?
Di mana tempat favoritmu untuk liburan?
I like Canto Lampo Waterfall.
Aku suka air terjun Kanto Lampau.
Andre, with whom do you normally go for vacation?
Andre, dengan siapa kamu biasanya pergi liburan?
I usually go with my family and friends.
Biasanya aku pergi bersama keluarga dan teman akrab.
What time do you normally go to work?
Jam berapa biasanya kamu berangkat kerja?
I usually go to work at 9 o'clock.
Aku biasanya berangkat kerja jam 9 pagi.
Excuse me, where can I find the milk aisle?
Permisi, di mana saya bisa menemukan lorong susu?
We will study in Java in August.
Kami akan belajar di Pulau Jawa pada bulan Agustus.
Farka has gone to Mecca in summer last year.
Fariha sudah pergi ke Mekah pada musim panas tahun lalu.
I was born on 1997 in Kediri, East Java.
Saya dilahirkan pada tahun 1997 di Kediri, Jawa Timur.
In the 1600s, Ottoman had a large continent.
Pada tahun 1600, Turki Utsmani mempunyai wilayah yang sangat luas.
Zaid always goes to school in the morning.
Zaid selalu pergi ke sekolah pada pagi hari.
Muhammad usually goes to mosque on Friday afternoon.
Muhammad biasanya pergi ke masjid pada Jumat siang.
I have schedule at 10 a.m.
Saya mempunyai jadwal pada pukul 10 pagi.
Fardilla always goes to garden on Saturday.
Faradila selalu pergi ke kebun pada hari Sabtu.
Indonesia will be crowded on Independence Day.
Indonesia akan ramai pada hari kemerdekaan.
The black cat will meow at night.
Kucing hitam akan mengong pada malam hari.
Yoko will plant rice in the rainy season.
Joko akan menanam padi pada musim penghujan. Nya.
A wooden boat was built by him.
Perahu kayu itu dibangun olehnya.
You cleaned the house yesterday.
Kamu membersihkan rumah kemarin.
We visited the beach last weekend.
Kami mengunjungi pantai akhir pekan lalu.
They watched a movie last night.
Mereka menonton film tadi malam.
He bought a new car last week.
Dia membeli mobil baru minggu lalu.
She baked a cake for her birthday.
Dia membuat kue untuk ulang tahunnya.
I ate oatmeal this morning.
Saya makan oatmeal tadi pagi.
The sun did not shine brightly this morning.
Matahari tidak bersinar terang pagi ini.
We did not watch a great movie last weekend.
Kami tidak menonton film bagus akhir pekan lalu.
She did not receive an award for her performance.
Dia tidak menerima penghargaan untuk penampilannya.
They did not win the basketball game last week.
Mereka tidak memenangkan pertandingan bola basket minggu lalu.
He did not read an interesting book last month.
Dia tidak membaca buku menarik bulan lalu.
She did not paint a beautiful picture yesterday.
Dia tidak melukis gambar yang indah kemarin.
They did not buy a new car last year.
Mereka tidak membeli mobil baru tahun lalu.
They did not attend the meeting last Monday.
Mereka tidak menghadiri rapat Senin lalu.
I did not finish my homework on time.
Saya tidak menyelesaikan pekerjaan rumah saya tepat waktu.
He did not buy the expensive watch.
Dia tidak membeli jam tangan mahal tersebut.
We did not go to the beach last weekend.
Kami tidak pergi ke pantai akhir pekan lalu.
She did not pass the exam despite studying hard.
Dia tidak lulus ujian meskipun belajar keras.
They did not invite us to their party.
Mereka tidak mengundang kami ke pesta mereka.
He did not receive the email you sent.
Dia tidak menerima email yang kamu kirim.
We did not have enough time to finish the project.
Kami tidak memiliki cukup waktu untuk menyelesaikan proyek tersebut.
She did not apologize for her mistake.
Dia tidak meminta maaf atas kesalahannya.
They did not understand the instructions.
Mereka tidak memahami instruksi tersebut.
I did not see you at the concert last night.
Saya tidak melihatmu di konser semalam.
He did not take the bus to work yesterday.
Dia tidak naik bus ke tempat kerja kemarin.
We did not visit the new museum in the city.
Kami tidak mengunjungi museum baru di kota.
She did not like the movie we watched together.
Dia tidak suka film yang kami tonton bersama.
They did not fix the broken window.
Mereka tidak memperbaiki jendela yang rusak.
I did not meet my friends for lunch yesterday.
Saya tidak bertemu dengan teman-teman saya untuk makan siang kemarin.
He did not take the job offer in another city.
Dia tidak menerima tawaran pekerjaan di kota lain.
They did not sell the old furniture. When is your English test?
Kapan tes bahasa Inggrismu?
Why do you want to improve your English?
Mengapa kamu ingin meningkatkan bahasa Inggrismu?
How do you practice speaking English every day?
Bagaimana cara kamu melatih speaking bahasa Inggris setiap hari?
Why is the shop closed?
Mengapa tokonya tutup?
It is a holiday today.
Hari ini adalah hari libur.
Why do you like coffee?
Mengapa kamu suka kopi?
It makes me stay awake.
Hal itu membuatku tetap terjaga.
How does this machine work?
Bagaimana mesin ini bekerja?
You just press the green button.
Anda tinggal menekan tombol hijau.
How old are you?
Berapa usiamu?
I am 20 years old.
Saya berumur 20 tahun.
How much is this bag?
Berapa harga tas ini?
How many siblings do you have?
Berapa jumlah saudara kandungmu?
I have 2 siblings.
Saya memiliki 2 saudara kandung.
How long will it take?
Berapa lama waktunya?
It will take 30 minutes.
Ini akan memakan waktu 30 menit.
How often do you exercise?
Seberapa sering kamu berolahraga?
I exercise every morning.
Saya berolahraga setiap pagi.
How was your trip?
Bagaimana perjalananmu?
It was wonderful.
Itu luar biasa.
How can I help you?
Bagaimana saya bisa membantumu?
Please bring me some water.
Tolong, bawakan saya air.
Do you like music?
Apakah kamu suka musik?
Is she your friend?
Apakah dia temanmu?
Can you swim?
Bisakah kamu berenang?
No, I cannot.
Tidak, saya tidak bisa.
Have you finished your homework?
Sudahkah kamu menyelesaikan PR?
Did you eat breakfast?
Apakah kamu sarapan?
Are you coming tonight?
Apakah kamu datang malam ini?
Yes, I am.
Ya, benar.
Does he live here?
Apakah dia tinggal di sini?
Will you be there?
Apakah kamu akan ada di sana?
Yes, I will.
Ya, saya akan melakukannya.
Are you hungry?
Apakah kamu lapar?
Is it raining outside?
Apakah di luar sedang hujan?
I am watching a movie.
Aku lagi lihat film nih.
What time is it?
Jam berapa sekarang?
It is 12 o'clock.
Jam 12 sekarang.
I really like this restaurant.
Saya sangat suka restoran ini.
This is my favorite song.
Ini adalah lagu favorit saya.
Can you help me with this problem?
Bisakah kamu membantu saya dengan masalah ini?
This laptop is very fast.
Laptop ini sangat cepat.
These books are very interesting.
Buku-buku ini sangat menarik.
I bought these shoes yesterday.
Saya membeli sepatu-sepatu ini kemarin.
These students are very talented.
Siswa-siswi ini sangat berbakat.
Do you like these cookies?
Apakah kamu suka kue-kue ini?
These are my favorite photos.
Ini adalah foto-foto favorit saya.
That building is very tall.
Gedung itu sangat tinggi.
I like that movie very much.
Saya sangat menyukai film itu.
That is my teacher over there.
Itu adalah guru saya di sana.
Can you see that mountain?
Bisakah kamu melihat gunung itu?
I want to buy that laptop.
Saya ingin membeli laptop itu.
Those houses are very beautiful.
Rumah-rumah itu sangat indah.
I remember those days very well.
Saya sangat mengingat hari-hari itu.
Those students are waiting for the teacher.
Para siswa itu sedang menunggu guru.
Do you see those mountains?
Apakah kamu melihat gunung-gunung itu?
Those are my old books.
Itu adalah buku-buku lama saya.
What did you eat for dinner?
Apa yang kamu makan untuk makan malam?
What can I do to help you?
Apa yang bisa aku lakukan untuk membantu kamu?
What is she doing at the office?
Apa yang dia lakukan di kantor?
What brought him upstairs?
Apa yang membawanya ke atas?
What has he done?
Apa yang telah dia lakukan?
What color is his car?
Apa warna mobilnya?
What time will she call me?
Jam berapa dia akan meneleponku?
What food would you like for breakfast?
Makanan apa yang Anda inginkan untuk sarapan?
What did you do last evening?
Apa yang kamu lakukan tadi malam?
What did you say when you were caught?
Apa yang Anda katakan ketika Anda ditangkap?
What kind of clothes did you wear?
Apa jenis pakaian yang Anda pakai?
What time did he come to your house?
Jam berapa dia datang ke rumahmu?
What is it for?
Untuk apa?
What did your mom cook yesterday?
Apa yang dimasak ibumu kemarin?
What do you do on the weekend?
Apa yang kamu lakukan di akhir pekan?
What will they wear tomorrow?
Apa yang akan mereka kenakan besok?
What day is it?
Hari apakah ini?
What kind of music do you like?
Jenis musik apa yang kamu suka?
What book did you buy yesterday?
Buku apa yang kamu beli kemarin?
What is your favorite subject?
Apa mata pelajaran favoritmu?
Who is your English teacher?
Siapa guru bahasa Inggrismu?
Where do you study English?
Di mana kamu belajar bahasa Inggris?
When did you last see the movie?
Kapan terakhir kali kamu menonton film itu?
The moment when the clock strikes midnight is magical.
Saat ketika jam berdentang tengah malam itu ajaib.
This is the spot where the picnic happened last year.
Ini adalah tempat di mana piknik terjadi tahun lalu.
I understand the motive why she chose that path.
Saya memahami motif mengapa dia memilih jalan itu.
Remember the day when we first met online.
Ingat hari ketika kita pertama kali bertemu secara online.
That's the village where my grandparents grew up.
Itu desa di mana kakek nenek saya dibesarkan.
Explain the cause why the machine malfunctioned.
Jelaskan penyebab mengapa mesin rusak.
The era when dinosaurs roamed the earth fascinates me.
Era ketika dinosaurus berkeliaran di bumi memikat saya.
Visit the museum where ancient artifacts are displayed.
Kunjungi museum di mana artefak kuno dipamerkan.
Tell me the logic why this equation works.
Ceritakan logika mengapa persamaan ini berhasil.
We cherish the time when holidays bring joy.
Kami menghargai waktu ketika liburan membawa kegembiraan.
The weather was sunny nonetheless. We brought umbrellas.
Cuaca cerah, meskipun demikian, kami membawa payung.
He missed the bus, hence, he arrived late to work.
Dia ketinggalan bus oleh karena itu, dia tiba terlambat di tempat kerja.
She loves reading. Additionally, she writes stories.
Dia suka membaca selain itu, dia menulis cerita.
The plan failed consequently, we tried a new approach.
Rencana gagal akibatnya, kami mencoba pendekatan baru.
I wanted coffee instead. I chose tea.
Saya ingin kopi sebaliknya, saya memilih teh.
The movie was long. Meanwhile, the audience stayed engaged.
Film itu panjang, sementara itu, penonton tetap terlibat.
He studied math. Likewise, she focused on science.
Dia belajar matematika, demikian pula, dia fokus pada sains.
He lost still. They celebrated their effort.
Dia kalah tetap saja. Mereka merayakan usaha mereka.
It rained heavily thus. The event was indoors.
Hujan deras sehingga acara di dalam ruangan.
She practiced daily besides, she sought feedback.
Dia berlatih setiap hari selain itu, dia mencari umpan balik.
You aren't leaving for Delhi tomorrow morning.
Kamu tidak berangkat ke Delhi besok pagi.
You aren't talking to your friend on the phone.
Anda tidak sedang berbicara dengan teman Anda di telepon.
You aren't looking for a job in Chennai currently.
Anda tidak sedang mencari pekerjaan di Chennai saat ini.
He isn't reading the newspaper now.
Dia tidak sedang membaca koran sekarang.
He isn't drinking coffee at a cafe right now.
Dia tidak sedang minum kopi di kafe saat ini.
He isn't writing a leave letter to his teacher.
Dia tidak sedang menulis surat izin kepada gurunya.
He isn't doing housework now.
Dia tidak sedang mengerjakan pekerjaan rumah atau pekerjaan rumah tangga sekarang.
He isn't leaving for Delhi tomorrow morning.
Dia tidak berangkat ke Delhi besok pagi.
He isn't listening to Hindi songs online.
Dia tidak mendengarkan lagu-lagu Hindi secara online.
He isn't talking to friend on the phone.
Dia tidak berbicara dengan temannya melalui telepon.
He isn't studying in class 10 at his school.
Dia tidak bersekolah di kelas ke-10.
He isn't watching a movie on TV right W.
Dia tidak sedang menonton film di TV saat ini.
He looking for a job in Chennai currently.
Dia sedang mencari pekerjaan di Chennai saat ini.
She isn't reading the newspaper now.
Dia tidak sedang membaca koran sekarang.
She been having breakfast at the moment.
Dia tidak sedang sarapan saat ini.
She isn't drinking coffee at a cafe right now.
Dia tidak sedang minum kopi di kafe saat ini.
She isn't writing a leave lemur to teacher.
Dia tidak sedang menulis surat izin kepada guru.
She isn't learning spoken English at present.
Dia tidak sedang belajar bahasa Inggris lisan saat ini.
She you doing for homework, housework now.
Dia tidak sedang mengerjakan pekerjaan rumah atau pekerjaan rumah tangga sekarang.
She isn't leaving for Delhi tomorrow morning.
Dia tidak berangkat ke Delhi besok pagi.
They are learning spoken English at present.
Saat ini mereka sedang belajar bahasa Inggris lisan.
They are delegate homework, housework now.
Mereka sedang didelegasikan pekerjaan rumah atau pekerjaan rumah tangga.
They are leaving for Delhi tomorrow morning.
Mereka akan berangkat ke Delhi besok pagi.
They are listening to Hindi songs online.
Mereka sedang mendengarkan lagu-lagu Hindi secara online.
They are talking to their friends on the phone.
Mereka sedang berbicara dengan teman-teman mereka melalui telepon.
They are studying in class 10 at a school.
Mereka belajar di kelas 10 di sebuah sekolah.
They are watching a movie on TV right now.
Mereka sedang menonton film di TV sekarang.
They are looking for jobs in Chennai currently.
Mereka sedang mencari pekerjaan di Chennai saat ini.
I am not reading the newspaper now.
Saya tidak sedang membaca koran sekarang.
I am not having breakfast at the moment.
Saya tidak sedang sarapan saat ini.
I am not drinking coffee at a cafe right now.
Saya tidak sedang minum kopi di kafe saat ini.
I am not writing a teaching letter to teaching.
Saya tidak sedang menulis surat cuti mengajar.
I am not learning spoken English at present.
Saya tidak sedang belajar bahasa Inggris lisan saat ini.
I am not doing homework, housework now.
Saya tidak mengerjakan pekerjaan rumah atau pekerjaan rumah tangga sekarang.
I am not leaving for Delhi tomorrow morning.
Saya tidak berangkat ke Delhi besok pagi.
I am not listening to Hindi songs online.
Saya tidak mendengarkan lagu-lagu Hindi secara online.
I am not talking to friend on the phone.
Saya tidak berbicara dengan teman di telepon.
I am not studying in class 10 at a school.
Saya tidak sedang bersekolah di kelas 10.
I am not watching a movie on TV right now.
Saya tidak sedang menonton film di TV saat ini.
I am not looking for a job in Chennai Comedily.
Saya tidak sedang mencari pekerjaan di Chennai.
You aren't learning spoken English hard.
Kamu tidak belajar bahasa Inggris lisan dengan giat.
You aren't doing your homework now.
Kamu tidak mengerjakan pekerjaan rumahmu sekarang.
Doesn't she eat chapati for dinner every day?
Bukankah dia makan chapati untuk makan malam setiap hari?
Doesn't she ever drink coffee at breakfast?
Bukankah dia pernah minum kopi saat sarapan?
Doesn't she go out with friends on weekends?
Bukankah dia sering keluar bersama teman-temannya di akhir pekan?
Doesn't she give us money whenever we need?
Bukankah dia selalu memberi kita uang setiap kali kita membutuhkannya?
Doesn't she work as a teacher at a private school?
Bukankah dia bekerja sebagai guru di sekolah swasta?
Doesn't she debut housework every morning?
Bukankah dia selalu mengerjakan pekerjaan rumah setiap pagi?
Doesn't she often have lunch at restaurants?
Bukankah dia sering makan siang di restoran?
Doesn't she play tennis 5 days a week?
Bukankah dia bermain tenis 5 hari seminggu?
Doesn't she check email on Hotmail regularly?
Bukankah dia memeriksa email di Hotmail secara teratur?
Does it usually wake up at 6 o'clock?
Bukankah biasanya dia bangun jam 6 pagi?
Doesn't it brush teeth twice a day?
Bukankah dia menyikat gigi 2 kali sehari?
Doesn't it aphaze with sihan legs before eating?
Bukankah ia mencuci kaki sebelum makan?
Doesn't it eat chapati for dinner every day?
Bukankah ia makan chapati untuk makan malam setiap hari?
Doesn't it go to Dye Park on weekdays?
Bukankah ia pergi ke taman pada hari kerja?
Doesn't it come back home by 6 o'clock?
Bukankah ia pulang sebelum jam 6?
Don't we wear nice clothes every day?
Bukankah kita memakai pakaian bagus setiap hari?
Don't we brush teeth twice a day?
Bukankah kita mengertakkan gigi 2 kali sehari?
Don't we wash hands before eating?
Bukankah kita mencuci tangan sebelum makan?
Don't we work very hard every day?
Bukankah kita bekerja sangat keras setiap hari?
Don't we teach spoken English well?
Bukankah kita mengajar bahasa Inggris lisan dengan baik?
Don't we play the piano very well?
Bukankah kita bermain piano dengan sangat baik?
They are just reading the newspaper.
Mereka sedang membaca koran.
They are having breakfast at the moment.
Mereka sedang sarapan saat ini.
They are drinking coffee at a cafe in tow.
Mereka sedang minum kopi di sebuah kafe.
I'll have 2 original pizzas, please.
Saya pesan 2 pizza original.
May I have some water, please?
Bisa minta air?
I'm sorry, but this is cold.
Maaf, tetapi makanan ini dingin.
I'm sorry, but can I change my order, please?
Maaf, tetapi apakah saya bisa mengganti pesanan saya?
May I have the bill?
Boleh saya minta tagihannya?
I am looking for a scarf.
Saya sedang mencari syal.
Do you have this item in stock?
Apakah barang ini tersedia di sini?
Do you have any shoes?
Apakah di sini ada sepatu?
Do you have any keychain?
Apakah di sini ada gantungan kunci?
How much is it?
Harganya berapa?
Could you give me a discount?
Bisa memberikan saya diskon?
Is there a discount?
Apakah ada diskon?
Do you have this in another color or size?
Apakah ada warna atau ukuran lain?
Is it available in yellow?
Apakah ada warna kuning?
Is it available in a small size?
Apakah ada ukuran kecil?
Can I try it on?
Boleh saya coba?
Have you got anything cheaper?
Apakah ada yang lebih murah?
I'll take this.
Saya ambil ini.
I'm not interested.
Saya tidak tertarik.
Can I pay by credit card?
Bisa saya bayar dengan kartu kredit?
May I have a receipt, please?
Boleh saya minta struk?
I have lost my passport.
Saya kehilangan paspor saya.
Someone stole my money.
Seseorang mencuri uang saya.
I need a hospital.
Saya harus ke rumah sakit.
Call the police.
Panggilkan polisi.
Doesn't he do housework every morning?
Bukankah dia mengerjakan pekerjaan rumah setiap pagi?
Doesn't he often have lunch at restaurants?
Bukankah dia sering makan siang di restoran?
Doesn't he play tennis 5 days a week?
Bukankah dia bermain tenis 5 hari seminggu?
Doesn't he check email on Hotmail regularly?
Bukankah dia memeriksa email di Hotmail secara teratur?
Doesn't she usually wake up at 6 o'clock?
Bukankah dia biasanya bangun jam 6 pagi?
Doesn't the brush her teeth twice a day?
Bukankah dia menyikat giginya sekali sehari?
Doesn't she always wash her hands before eating?
Bukankah dia selalu mencuci tangan sebelum makan?
Can I change rupiahs to euros here?
Bisakah saya menukarkan rupiah ke euro di sini?
I'd like to order some foreign currency.
Saya ingin menukarkan beberapa mata uang asing.
What is the exchange rate for yen?
Berapa nilai tukar untuk yen?
Can you give me the directions to hospital?
Bisakah Anda memberitahu saya petunjuk menuju rumah sakit?
Can you give me the directions to the nearest mall?
Bisakah Anda memberitahu saya petunjuk menuju ke mall terdekat?
Do you know where mall is?
Apakah Anda tahu di mana mall berada?
Do you know where the bus station is?
Apakah Anda tahu di mana terminal bis berada?
What is the quickest way to get to station?
Bagaimana cara tercepat untuk sampai ke stasiun?
Where is Hilton Hotel?
Hotel Hilton ada di mana?
How do I get to the art museum?
Bagaimana cara menuju ke museum seni?
Could you please tell me the best way to get to museum?
Bisakah Anda memberitahu saya cara menuju ke museum?
Could you please tell me the best way to get to the zoo?
Bisakah Anda memberitahu saya cara menuju ke kebun binatang?
Could you help me, please? I'm looking for the zoo.
Bisa tolong bantu saya sedang mencari kebun binatang.
Could you help me, please? I'm looking for train station.
Bisa tolong bantu saya sedang mencari stasiun kereta.
I'm trying to get to the nearest bank. Can you tell me the directions?
Saya sedang menuju ke bank terdekat. Bisakah Anda memberitahu saya arah petunjuknya?
I'd like to make a reservation.
Saya ingin memesan meja.
I have reserved a table for two under the name of Yudo.
Saya sudah memesan meja untuk 2 orang atas nama Yudo.
I have reserved a table for two under the name of Budi Perdana.
Saya sudah memesan meja untuk 2 orang atas nama Budi Perdana.
May I sit at this table?
Boleh saya duduk di meja ini?
May I see the menu?
Boleh saya lihat menunya?
Could you please bring me the menu?
Bisa tolong bawakan menunya?
What's on the menu?
Ada menu apa?
What do you recommend?
Apa yang Anda rekomendasikan?
I would like to order one lemon tea and one chicken steak, please.
Saya ingin pesan 1 teh lemon dan 1 steak ayam.
We watched TV together. Kami menonton TV bersama. They watched a movie last weekend.
Mereka menonton film akhir pekan lalu.
I have watched that film twice.
Saya sudah menonton film itu 2 kali.
He opens the shop every morning.
Dia membuka toko setiap pagi.
She opened the door slowly.
Dia membuka pintu dengan pelan.
They have opened a new branch.
Mereka telah membuka cabang baru.
I decide what to eat every day.
Saya memutuskan apa yang akan dimakan setiap hari.
We decided to go home early.
Kami memutuskan pulang lebih awal.
She has decided to study abroad.
Dia telah memutuskan untuk belajar di luar negeri.
I help my friends with homework.
Saya membantu teman-teman saya mengerjakan PR.
He helped me yesterday.
Dia membantu saya kemarin.
They have helped many people.
Mereka telah membantu banyak orang.
I wash my hands regularly.
Saya mencuci tangan secara rutin.
She washed the clothes this morning.
Dia mencuci pakaian pagi ini.
He has washed the car.
Dia sudah mencuci mobil.
I drink something in there.
Saya minum sesuatu di sana.
He drinks an ice cream every day.
Dia minum es krim setiap hari.
He is drinking a coffee in the class.
Dia sedang minum kopi di kelas, penambahan ing pada drink.
Are you drinking a coffee?
Apakah kamu sedang minum kopi?
They will drink a glass of tea tomorrow.
Mereka akan minum segelas teh besok.
Abdullah drank iced tea yesterday.
Abdullah minum es teh kemarin.
I drank your drink yesterday.
Saya minum minuman Anda kemarin.
You drank something last time.
Kamu meminum sesuatu tadi.
I didn't drink a water last week.
Saya tidak dapat meminum air minggu lalu.
Did you drink a beer last month?
Apakah kamu minum bir bulan lalu?
My teacher bought this water to me yesterday, whereas I had just drunk it.
Guru saya telah membelikan air ini kepada saya kemarin di mana saya baru saja meminum itu.
We will have drunk a coffee when Faradila called me in my phone.
Kami akan sudah minum kopi ketika Faradila memanggil saya di telepon saya.
We have drunk in Clubhouse.
Kami sudah minum di Clubhouse.
You have drunk this tea.
Kamu sudah minum teh ini.
Faradila has drunk it since you went to there.
Faradila sudah meminum itu sejak kamu pergi ke sana.
I eat breakfast every morning.
Saya makan sarapan setiap pagi.
She drinks coffee before work.
Dia minum kopi sebelum kerja.
They play football every weekend.
Mereka bermain sepak bola setiap akhir pekan.
He works in a big company.
Dia bekerja di perusahaan besar.
We study English together.
Kami belajar bahasa Inggris bersama.
She writes a letter to her friend.
Dia menulis surat untuk temannya.
I read a book before sleeping.
Saya membaca buku sebelum tidur.
He drives a car to the office.
Dia mengemudi mobil ke kantor.
They watch movies at night.
Mereka menonton film di malam hari.
He cooks dinner for his family.
Dia memasak makan malam untuk keluarganya.
I love this song so much.
Saya sangat menyukai lagu ini.
He likes spicy food.
Dia suka makanan pedas.
We need more time to finish this.
Kami butuh lebih banyak waktu untuk menyelesaikan ini.
She wants to travel abroad.
Dia ingin pergi ke luar negeri.
They build a new house.
Mereka membangun rumah baru.
I buy groceries every week.
Saya membeli kebutuhan setiap minggu.
He sells his old bike.
Dia menjual sepeda lamanya.
We discuss the problem together.
Kami mendiskusikan masalah bersama.
She decides to start a new business.
Dia memutuskan untuk memulai bisnis baru.
They travel to Bali every year.
Mereka bepergian ke Bali setiap tahun.
I work in an office every day.
Saya bekerja di kantor setiap hari.
She worked late last night.
Dia bekerja sampai larut tadi malam.
They have worked on this project for months.
Mereka telah bekerja pada proyek ini selama berbulan-bulan.
I clean my room every weekend.
Saya membersihkan kamar setiap akhir pekan.
He cleaned the house yesterday.
Dia membersihkan rumah kemarin.
She has cleaned the kitchen already.
Dia sudah membersihkan dapur.
They play football every afternoon.
Mereka bermain sepak bola setiap sore.
We played games last night.
Kami bermain game tadi malam.
He has played this game before.
Dia sudah pernah memainkan game ini sebelumnya.
I call my parents every day.
Saya menelepon orang tua saya setiap hari.
She called me yesterday.
Dia menelepon saya kemarin.
They have called the doctor.
Mereka telah menelepon dokter.
I study English every night.
Saya belajar bahasa Inggris setiap malam.
She studied hard for the exam.
Dia belajar dengan giat untuk ujian.
He has studied this topic before.
Dia sudah mempelajari topik ini sebelumnya.
The staff follows company policies strictly.
Staf mengikuti kebijakan perusahaan dengan ketat.
My supervisor reviews performance regularly.
Atasan saya meninjau kinerja secara teratur.
The system updates data automatically.
Sistem memperbarui data secara otomatis.
Employees wear uniforms during working hours.
Karyawan mengenakan seragam selama jam kerja.
The company provides training for new workers.
Perusahaan menyediakan pelatihan untuk pekerja baru.
Students arrive at school before 7.
Para siswa tiba di sekolah sebelum pukul 7.
The teacher explains the lesson clearly.
Guru menjelaskan pelajaran dengan jelas.
We study mathematics on weekdays.
Kami belajar matematika pada hari kerja.
She brings her textbook to class.
Ia membawa buku teksnya ke kelas.
We eat fried rice every week.
Saya makan nasi goreng setiap hari.
He eats this chocolate every Thursday.
Dia makan coklat ini setiap hari Kamis.
She is eating donut today.
Dia sedang makan donat hari ini.
Are you eating this fruit today?
Apakah kamu memakan buah ini hari ini?
They will eat your food next week.
Mereka akan memakan makanan Anda minggu depan.
They ate banana yesterday.
Mereka makan pisang kemarin.
I ate this meatball yesterday.
Saya makan bakso kemarin.
You ate spinach last time.
Kamu makan bayam tadi.
Amira ate bread last week.
Amira makan roti minggu lalu.
We ate this recipe last month.
Kami makan resep ini bulan lalu.
My father asked me to eat this potato whereas I had just eaten it.
Ayah saya menyuruh saya memakan batagor ini pada saya baru saja memakannya. We will have eaten this food when they went to their homes. Kami akan sudah memakan makanan ini ketika mereka pergi ke rumah mereka.
I have eaten this meatball.
Saya sudah makan bakso ini.
You have eaten this fried chicken for 3 hours.
Kamu sudah makan ayam goreng selama 3 jam.
She has eaten this bread since you watched movie.
Dia sudah makan roti ini sejak kamu melihat film.
He baked cookies for the bake sale.
Dia membuat kue untuk acara penjualan kue.
She watched a documentary about nature.
Dia menonton dokumenter tentang alam.
It froze overnight in the garden.
Itu membeku semalaman di kebun.
Nadia wrote a letter to her grandmother.
Nadia menulis surat untuk neneknya.
The rabbit hid under the bushes during the rain.
Kelinci itu bersembunyi di bawah semak-semak saat hujan.
The river flowed quietly through the forest.
Sungai mengalir dengan tenang melalui hutan.
I attended a workshop on painting techniques.
Saya menghadiri lokakarya tentang teknik melukis.
You called your brother to ask for help.
Kamu menelpon saudaramu untuk meminta bantuan.
We designed a new logo for the company.
Kami merancang logo baru untuk perusahaan.
They opened a new store in the mall last month.
Mereka membuka toko baru di mall bulan lalu.
He sang a song during the talent show.
Dia menyanyi dalam pertunjukan bakat.
She trimmed the bushes in the backyard.
Dia memangkas semak-semak di halaman belakang.
It melted quickly in the sun yesterday.
Itu mencair dengan cepat di bawah matahari kemarin.
Kevin caught a fish in the river last weekend.
Kevin menangkap ikan di sungai akhir pekan lalu.
The bird flew to a higher branch in the tree.
Burung itu terbang ke cabang yang lebih tinggi di pohon.
The snowman melted in the sun by the afternoon.
Manusia salju itu mencair di bawah matahari menjelang sore.
I start work at 8 every morning.
Saya mulai bekerja pukul 8 setiap pagi.
She checks emails before the meeting begins.
Dia memeriksa email sebelum rapat dimulai.
They prepare weekly reports for the manager.
Mereka menyiapkan laporan mingguan untuk manajer.
He manages the client database carefully.
Dia mengelola basis data klien dengan cermat.
We attend team meetings every Monday.
Kami menghadiri rapat tim setiap hari Senin.
It crashed into the wall during the storm.
Itu menabrak dinding saat badai.
Alex fixed his motorbike yesterday afternoon.
Alex memperbaiki motornya kemarin sore.
The birds sang beautifully in the morning.
Burung itu bernyanyi dengan indah di pagi hari.
The tree provided shade during the picnic.
Pohon itu memberikan keteduhan selama piknik.
I painted the front door last month.
Saya mengecat pintu depan bulan lalu.
You ordered pizza for dinner last night.
Kamu memesan pizza untuk makan malam tadi malam.
We decorated the living room for the party.
Kami mendekorasi ruang tamu untuk pesta.
They found an old book in the attic.
Mereka menemukan buku tua di loteng.
He studied history for the test last week.
Dia belajar sejarah untuk ujian minggu lalu.
She cleaned the kitchen after breakfast.
Dia membersihkan dapur setelah sarapan.
It rolled down the hill during the game.
Itu menggelinding menuruni bukit selama permainan.
Lisa shared her lunch with her friends.
Lisa membagikan makan siangnya dengan teman-temannya.
The dog dug a hole in the garden yesterday.
Anjing itu menggali lubang di kebun kemarin.
The flowers brightened the room with their colors.
Bunga-bunga itu mencerahkan ruangan dengan warnanya.
I washed my car in the afternoon.
Saya mencuci mobil saya di sore hari.
You read a new book last weekend.
Kamu membaca buku baru akhir pekan lalu.
We brought some snacks to the picnic.
Kami membawa beberapa camilan ke piknik.
They taught English to the kids yesterday.
Mereka mengajar bahasa Inggris kepada anak-anak kemarin.
He danced at the wedding last Saturday.
Dia menari di pernikahan Sabtu lalu.
She made a painting for the exhibition.
Dia membuat lukisan untuk pameran.
It barked all night during the thunderstorm.
Itu menggonggong sepanjang malam selama badai petir.
Daniel organized the office files yesterday.
Daniel mengatur file kantor kemarin.
The cat chased a butterfly in the garden.
Kucing itu mengejar kupu-kupu di kebun.
The wind blew strongly across the field.
Angin bertiup kencang melintasi ladang.
I planted some herbs in the backyard.
Saya menanam beberapa herba di halaman belakang.
You finished the homework before dinner.
Kamu menyelesaikan PR sebelum makan malam.
We moved to a new apartment last month.
Kami pindah ke apartemen baru bulan lalu.
They played chess all afternoon yesterday.
Mereka bermain catur sepanjang sore kemarin.
I woke up early to catch the train.
Saya bangun pagi untuk mengejar kereta.
You called your mother last night.
Kamu menelepon ibumu tadi malam.
We played video games all afternoon.
Kami bermain video game sepanjang sore.
They attended a seminar on entrepreneurship.
Mereka menghadiri seminar tentang kewirausahaan.
He cooked dinner for his family yesterday.
Dia memasak makan malam untuk keluarganya kemarin.
She danced gracefully at the party.
Dia menari dengan anggun di pesta.
It stopped raining before noon.
Hujan berhenti sebelum tengah hari.
Sarah drew a beautiful landscape.
Sarah menggambar pemandangan yang indah.
The birds flew south for the winter.
Burung-burung itu terbang ke selatan untuk musim dingin.
The sun set behind the mountains.
Matahari terbenam di balik pegunungan.
I listened to music on my way home.
Saya mendengarkan musik dalam perjalanan pulang.
You wore a red dress to the party.
Kamu mengenakan gaun merah ke pesta.
We ate at a new restaurant downtown.
Kami makan di restoran baru di pusat kota.
They helped the elderly cross the street.
Mereka membantu orang tua menyeberang jalan.
He finished his project ahead of time.
Dia menyelesaikan proyeknya lebih awal.
She watched the sunset at the beach.
Dia menonton matahari terbenam di pantai.
It broke down during the race.
Itu rusak saat perlombaan.
David wrote a poem for his school assignment.
David menulis puisi untuk tugas sekolahnya.
The rabbit jumped over the log in the forest.
Kelinci itu melompat melewati batang kayu di hutan.
The flowers wilted because of the heat.
Bunga-bunga itu layu karena panas.
My parents bought a new car last month.
Orang tua saya membeli mobil baru bulan lalu.
I attended a music concert last weekend.
Saya menghadiri konser musik akhir pekan lalu.
We visited a science museum last summer.
Kami mengunjungi Museum Sains musim panas lalu.
They drew a map for the project last night.
Mereka menggambar peta untuk proyek tadi malam.
He played the piano during the ceremony.
Dia memainkan piano selama upacara.
She bought a new chair for her room.
Dia membeli kursi baru untuk kamarnya.
She studied French last
Dia
night.
belajar bahasa Prancis tadi malam.
It snowed heavily in the mountains last winter.
Salju turun deras di pegunungan musim dingin lalu.
John fixed his bicycle last weekend.
John memperbaiki sepadanya akhir pekan lalu.
The dog chased a squirrel in the park.
Anjing itu mengejar tupai di taman.
The tree grew taller in the spring.
Pohon itu tumbuh lebih tinggi di musim semi.
I read a novel on the train yesterday.
Saya membaca novel di kereta kemarin.
You cleaned your room this morning.
Kamu membersihkan kamarmu tadi pagi.
We enjoyed the concert last night.
Kami menikmati konser tadi malam.
They traveled to Paris last summer.
Mereka bepergian ke Paris musim panas lalu.
He painted the fence last Saturday.
Dia mengecat pagar Sabtu lalu.
She baked a cake for her friend's birthday.
Dia membuat kue untuk ulang tahun temannya.
It rained for hours yesterday afternoon.
Hujan turun selama berjam-jam kemarin sore.
Linda taught math to the students.
Linda mengajar matematika kepada para siswa.
The cat slept on the couch all day.
Kucing itu tidur di sofa sepanjang hari.
The flowers bloomed beautifully last spring.
Bunga-bunga itu mekar dengan indah musim semi lalu.
I found my keys under the table.
Saya menemukan kunci saya di bawah meja.
You built a tree house in your backyard.
Kamu membangun rumah pohon di halaman belakangmu.
We visited our grandparents in the countryside.
Kami mengunjungi kakek nenek kami di pedesaan.
They won the basketball game last weekend.
Mereka memenangkan pertandingan basket akhir pekan lalu.
He drove to the beach early in the morning.
Dia mengemudi ke pantai pagi-pagi sekali.
She sewed a beautiful dress for the party.
Dia menjahit gaun yang indah untuk pesta.
It froze overnight and the streets were icy.
Suhu membeku semalam dan jalanan licin.
Ali organized the event for his company.
Eli mengatur acara untuk perusahaannya.
The horse ran fast in the field yesterday.
Kuda itu berlari cepat di lapangan kemarin.
The grass turned green after the rain.
Rumput berubah menjadi hijau setelah hujan.
They attended the wedding last Saturday.
Mereka menghadiri pernikahan Sabtu lalu.
He sang a song at the party.
Dia menyanyikan lagu di pesta.
She washed the dishes after dinner.
Dia mencuci piring setelah makan malam.
It stopped raining before noon.
Hujan berhenti sebelum tengah hari.
Rudy played soccer with his friends.
Rudy bermain sepak bola dengan teman-temannya.
The bird flew across the sky this morning.
Burung itu terbang melintasi langit tadi pagi.
My mother baked a cake yesterday.
Ibu saya membuat kue kemarin.
I took a photo during the trip.
Saya mengambil foto selama perjalanan.
You sent an email last night.
Kamu mengirim email tadi malam.
We visited our grandparents last weekend.
Kami mengunjungi kakek nenek kami akhir pekan lalu.
They cleaned the house yesterday.
Mereka membersihkan rumah kemarin.
He drove to the store last night.
Dia mengemudi ke toko tadi malam.
She danced at the party last night.
Dia menari di pesta tadi malam.
That flower bloomed beautifully last spring.
Bunga itu mekar dengan indah musim semi lalu.
Ahmad played the piano for the audience.
Ahmad memainkan piano untuk penonton.
The rabbit jumped over the fence.
Kelinci itu melompat melewati pagar.
My cousin painted a picture last week.
Sepupu saya melukis gambar minggu lalu.
I read a book before bed last night.
Saya membaca buku sebelum tidur tadi malam.
You bought a gift for your friend yesterday.
Kamu membeli hadiah untuk temanmu kemarin.
We traveled to the mountains last month.
Kami bepergian ke pegunungan bulan lalu.
They finished the project on time.
Mereka menyelesaikan proyek tepat waktu.
He helped his mother with the groceries.
Dia membantu ibunya dengan belanjaan.
She knitted a scarf last winter.
Dia merajut syal musim dingin lalu.
The plant grew taller over the summer.
Tanaman itu tumbuh lebih tinggi sepanjang musim panas.
Nina visited her cousin in Jakarta.
Nena mengunjungi sepupunya di Jakarta.
The horse ran fast during the race.
Kuda itu berlari cepat selama perlombaan.
My uncle repaired the bike last week.
Paman saya memperbaiki sepeda minggu lalu.
I visited the museum last month.
Saya mengunjungi museum bulan lalu.
You wrote a letter to your sister.
Kamu menulis surat untuk adikmu.
We watched a football match yesterday.
Kami menonton pertandingan sepak bola kemarin.
They bought new shoes at the mall.
Mereka membeli sepatu baru di mall.
He ate a delicious pizza for lunch.
Dia makan pizza yang lezat untuk makan siang.